Enhance your BuddyBoss site and app by enabling LinkedIn as a social login option. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a LinkedIn app, configuring it for social login, and integrating it with your BuddyBoss platform. Let's get started. First, make sure you've enabled social login on your BuddyBoss site. Navigate to BuddyBoss, Settings, Registration, and activate the feature. Once enabled, you'll see options to configure LinkedIn social login. Keep this tab open, as we'll need to copy and paste some information later. Next, go to the LinkedIn developer site at linkedin.com/developer/apps and log in with your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, click the Create App button. On the Create an App page, fill out the required details. Enter your app name in the App Name field. Add your LinkedIn page. If you don't have one, you can create it at linkedin.com/company/setup/new. Provide your site's privacy policy URL. Upload an app logo that meets LinkedIn's requirements. Read and agree to the API terms of use, then click the Create App button. Once the app is created, navigate to the Products tab. Click Request Access, next to Sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. In the pop-up modal, check the box to agree to the terms, then click Request Access. A confirmation message will appear once the access has been granted. Next, go to the Auth tab. In the OAuth 2.0 settings section, click the pencil icon to edit, then click Add Redirect URL. If you're unsure about your site's redirect URL, you can find it in the LinkedIn pop-up we viewed earlier. Look for the line labeled Redirect URL. Once added, click Update to save the changes. In the Auth tab, locate the Application Credentials section. Under Authentication Keys, copy the client ID and client secret. Return to your WordPress admin dashboard and paste the client ID and client secret into the corresponding fields. Click Save Changes. After saving the changes, a LinkedIn login pop-up will appear. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. On the Authorize page, click Allow to grant the required permissions. Once done, you can enable the LinkedIn social login checkbox in the settings and click Save Settings. If the LinkedIn social login checkbox remains grayed out after saving, click the pencil icon again and select Verify Settings. This should finalize the setup. For the BuddyBoss app customers, navigate to BuddyBoss app. Build and request a new build. This ensures that all recent changes are fully implemented and reflected in your app. And that's it. You've successfully set up LinkedIn social login for your BuddyBoss site and app. Test the login functionality to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more BuddyBoss tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.